Welcome to Family Product Reviews. If you are new here, support us by subscribing. Today we will be reviewing the Essential Medical Supply Shower Bench with arms and back. The shower chair. The chair works well and is very safe item in the shower. It only takes one person to do it, and once it's tightened, this chair is sturdy. The seat is large enough for any adult of girth, and the value is great. Carries quite a few pieces to put together, but the instructions were simple and easy to understand. She is 51, 125 pounds, and is easily assembled. This shower chair is perfect in her opinion. However, with the help of her physical therapist, and this chair which she approved to purchase, she now feels safe taking a shower again. Can remove arms for easy access to getting your loved one in and out shower. It was easy to assemble, and the bottom part of the chair was stable and secure. Our shower has a built-in bench, but when soap gets on it, it's too slippery. Hint: run the shower on hot for a minute to warm it up. It's cold when you first sit on it. Sturdy, good size, and the arms are padded for ease of getting up from the bench. This is a nice, sturdy chair, with plenty of tiny room between the chair arms. It gives me a great sense relief that he has something to sit on instead of standing in a slippery shower. This was easy to put together, and very square, no uneven or wobbly bits, and it doesn't slide around in the shower. The chair has large rubber bottoms on each leg to prevent skidding in the wet environment. Much better than the model sold without arms or a back, at about the same price. Great, easy to put together. Sits in a one-person shower well enough for him to stand and sit. The arms allowed me to wrap our extendable shower head into the arms of the chair. Maybe me, but a tad bit more sturdy would help. But again, it works very well. Light enough for her to lift, but very sturdy, and grips bottom of tub, and does not slip. Only need it for a few weeks, but would have been lost without it. This bench is also smaller in width than others on the market, so it fits well into our smaller size tub. Excellent bath bench. Love having the arms on days that getting up is more difficult. Seems like there are a lot of parts, but the instructions are clear, and everything fit together very nicely. Sturdy, good quality for 81-year-old mom that needs assistance getting in and out of shower. The box contained the correct number of parts, and everything fit and worked the way it was supposed to. The arms make it easy to get up after a relaxing time in the shower. Very well made, but narrow enough to fit in small showers, and tough enough to support most people. It's extremely sturdy, and it made showering with a torn ACL and fractured leg perfect. Very helpful for showers, especially the arms help mother know when she in on the chair. It's set nice and tall for me, and after having knee surgery that was important. For a senior who needs to soak their feet daily, this is an excellent shower chair. It allows the person to sit in the shower stall safely and comfortably while soaking their feet in a small tub of water. All in all, it took about 10 minutes to put together, and it is lightweight but solid. It's wide enough to accommodate a big man or women, but not excessively so in our shower. You especially need a chair like this if your shower has no handholds on the walls. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to subscribe and leave your comments below.